In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK in welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on, and when you're ready, go into Tap menu. Now you will have to edit all of your shortcuts. To do that, click on this pen at the top right corner. Look for Caffeine shortcut at the very bottom. Hold it, drag it to the top. Place it wherever you want to in your current shortcuts area. And then click on this arrow at the top left corner. Now click on your new shortcut. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!